Whether you are new to owning pets or you've always had pets but you're looking to extend your knowledge, Twinkl Pets is here to provide progressive pet care information for the whole family. Dogs, cats, hamsters, rabbits, bearded dragons, axolotls? Twinkl Pets has it all, and it's really easy to find exactly what you're looking for. Simply head to the Twinkl Pets page and you will get the option to search for resources by pet, or if you scroll down further, you can search categories of resources such as our pet care guides or pet treat recipes. Then all you need to do is click on the tab relevant to what you are looking for and you will find a wealth of resources created by knowledgeable pet parents with years of experience. Don't forget there is also a link to our pets blog where you can read timely articles about looking after pets and everything this entails. So what are you waiting for? Whether you already have a pet or you are looking to get one, big or small, furry or scaly, at Twinkl Pets you will find pet care for the whole family.